Hey everyone, welcome to Joe & Folk Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy this quick, simple, tasty shrimp fried rice. Okay, so for my ingredients, I have 1 cup of frozen mixed vegetables, 3 eggs. These eggs are small, so I'm using 3 of them today. 3 stalks of scallions. I separated the green from the white part because I'll be adding this last. Half of a medium onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 2 cups of rice that I just took from my fridge. Day-old rice is actually the best rice to use when you're doing fried rice. And of course, shrimp. This is about a half a pound. I seasoned this about 30 minutes ago. You don't have to marinate your shrimp for so long. I had the time, so I went ahead and did it. And this is how I seasoned it. For my shrimp, I washed it in vinegar water. Then I cleaned it by removing the shell that's left on the tail. Then remove any excess vein that's left behind and pat that dry. Then I lightly seasoned it with garlic powder, then onion powder, fish spice just to reinforce that seafood flavor. Any seafood seasoning that you have in your cupboard will do. I'm just using what I have. Black pepper, and some soy sauce. When I'm doing fried rice, I like to season at every stage. I'll be scrambling my eggs first, so I'm going to go ahead and season them very lightly with about half a teaspoon of my blended green seasoning, pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt because we're going to be adding the soy sauce, which is actually high in sodium, so we don't want too much salt. A pinch of onion powder, and a pinch of garlic powder. Then I'm going to beat them. Okay. That looks good. I'm going to be using my non-stick skillet, and I'm going to add about maybe about a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and let that heat up a bit. Alright, so that's hot enough, so in goes my eggs. And my flame is on medium. Next up, I'll be searing my shrimp, so I'm going in with a bit more oil. That's about a teaspoon. And I'm gonna let that heat up a bit before I add my shrimp. Okay, so my pot is hot enough, so I'm going to go in with my shrimp. You can add more shrimp to this if you'd like, or you can add in different types of meat. I literally threw together this recipe at the end of the week with whatever I had left in my fridge. So in goes my onions. The white part of my scallions and garlic. And I'm going to go ahead and add my mixed veg. You want to make sure that you keep stirring because you don't want your garlic to burn. I'm going to turn my flame up a bit more to medium high. I'm gonna cook these for about a minute and then add my rice. And then I'm going to cook my rice for about a minute. And as per usual, I'll link all the ingredients in the description box below. I'm going in with some soy sauce. And then I'm going to go in with my shrimp and my egg. Stir that in. And I actually turned up my flame to high. And I'm going to cook that for about 2 minutes or so. And just before I turn my stove off, I'm going to go in with the green part of my scallions. And there you have it, guys. Delicious, quick and easy shrimp fried rice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next one. It's always a pleasure having you in my kitchen. Please follow me on Instagram at joinfo_. And as always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.